Hello, welcome to Den of Knowledge. My name is Boniface Samson. Today we'll be discussing money and mathematics for basic 1. Money and mathematics. Money. What is money? Money is an object used for exchange. You can say it's a currency used for exchange. Money is an object or currency used for exchange. Now, what do I mean by that? Without money, you can't buy. Without money, sellers won't like to sell something to you. We have different forms of money. Different forms of money. We have the one called the coin and the notes. The coins and the notes. Different countries use different currency. Different countries use different currency. In Nigeria, they make use of in coins, kobo, and in notes, naira. Although I think there are coins that are naira, like 1 naira, 2 naira, but the major one is note. In kobo, we have a country, Nigeria. Like I say, different countries make use of different currency. Nigeria, we have something called 1 kobo as money, 2 kobo, 5 kobo, 25 kobo, 50 kobo, 1 naira, part of coin, and the last is 2 naira. Why this is for coins? Notes, we have 5 naira, 10 naira is written like this, 20 naira, we have 50 naira, 100, 500, okay, 200, 500, and then 1,000. You can see it over there, how the currency. In America, America, they have dollars. Dollars that appears like $10, $100. I think $100 is the last of the currency. $100. In other countries like Ghana, they make use of coins and notes also. In China, I think it's only notes or even coins. But note that money can appear in 2 forms: coins or notes, or coins and notes. In each country, different countries use different currency. Like in Nigeria, we have, this is notes. These are notes. We have, this is 10 naira. This one has 100 naira notes. You can see it. Notes appears like paper. This one is 50 naira. This 200 naira as a note. And we have 500 naira and notes. This is how notes looks like. We also have 20 naira notes. Like this, it appears like paper. And what is the uses of all this? Their main uses is for exchange. Exchange, we use them to make an exchange, that's transaction, buy, sell, buy, sell. Now let's enter into addition and subtraction of this. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. If we have 1 kobo plus 2 kobo, that will give us, we count like this, 1, remember, addition in our previous topic. We say that addition is joining two or more numbers together. The same way you just join this, 1 kobo means 1, 2 means 2. You count them together, 1, 2, 3, giving us 3 kobo. It's written like this, 3 before the kobo. Now if we are adding notes like 100 plus 200, if you check here, we don't have something like 400, 300, 150 and others. The only way we can get it is by adding other notes, other money. So 100 plus 200 gives us 300 naira. In subtraction, when do we do subtraction in money? That is when, assuming you bought something that worth let's say 300, and you give the seller 500, like this, 500. You bought item that worth 300, you gave the seller 500. You can't go because 500 is bigger than 300. What you bought worth 300. That is when subtraction will enter in money. And that you do 500 minus 300. You can do vertical subtraction, which it will appear like this. 500, the money you are with, minus 300, so that you take them sequentially. 500. This is called vertical subtraction. Now this and this, they're just 0. You write it. You write it. Coming to this. This is 5 minus 300. You count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 3. What is minus? Remember, minus means remove. Subtraction is taking away small number from the big one. Let's remove 3. 1, 2, 3. How many remains? 1, 2. You put 2. That means this is your balance. 200 naira. This is when subtraction is needed in mathematics or in transaction. Whenever you are buying something, if you buy something that is big and you pay a money that is bigger, you need balance. Now let's move into buying items using money. Maybe you want something like this, a big ball, that has a price tag, 200 naira, and you want also a pencil, this is a pencil with a price tag 20 naira, also an eraser. Let's use this as an eraser with a price tag 10 naira. But what do you have? And you are given 500 naira to buy all the items you want. All the items you want. You need ball to play, pencil, eraser. You may also need a book. Want a book? A big book. A book with a price tag 70 naira. A long book with a price tag 70 naira. First thing you need or you will do is to add up all your wants. You add it up. Remember, addition is joining two or more numbers together. Let's add them using vertical methods. This is my naira. I'll write 20 here. Why? Because 200 is 3-digit number. Any 3-digit number will go to 3-digit unit place value, which is 100, tens, and units. While 2 digits goes under 2 tens. I have 10 naira. The 10 naira is 2-digit number, so it will be here. We have 70. The 70 naira is also 2-digit number. It will be here. None of them will enter this place. Reason, this one is for 3-digit numbers only. What is 3-digit number? A number that appears like this. You count them. 1, 2, 3. 500 is also 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. But 20, let's count. 1, 2 is just tens and units. It's not up to 3. We have 5. 5 is just 1. And anyone that appears as 1 will be under unit. 2 digits under tens. And 3 digits under 100. So let's add it up. Remember, none of them will appear here because they are not up to 3-digit number except 200. Let's add. This is 0. This is 0. I won't count any stone. 0, 0. Add them. We'll still have 0. Here I have 0. Here I have 2. Let's count 1, 2. Here I have 1, 1. Here's 7. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's join all of them together. Our stone. This one is 0. Nothing is here. This one is 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's up to 10. You're not going to write 10 here. Because if you write 10 here, this becomes 3-digit number. It's not proper. Since it's up to 10, you bring it out here. You write the one that is this side, put it here. Carry this one and move it to the one that belongs to 3-digit number. Because if you write 10 like this is 3-digit number. This one belongs to 3. So move it up there until you finish adding before you put it down. That's why I'll clean it. Write 0, carry 1. Let's put that one as stone. What is here? This is 2. We count it. 1, 2. Don't forget there's 1 here. Join all of them together. 1, 2, 3. Write it. 3. So how much thing are you going to spend? You will spend 300. All your wants, all the things you want, add it up is just 300 naira. But how much are you giving? 500 naira. What are you going to do? You subtract 500, the money you are with, remove 300, all your wants. This is the money that you need to buy all of this. Why? This is the money that you have. We call it cash at hand. Let's remove it. Remember, subtraction is taking away small number from the big one. Let's count. This is 0, this is 0. We are not removing anything. We bring it. This is 0, there's nothing to count. This is 0, there's nothing to count. Minus, it will still be 0. Here is 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here is 3. We are removing 3 from 5. Let's remove. 1, 2, 3. How many is left? 1, 2. Alright, 2. That means after buying all your wants, you will still have a balance of 200 naira. With this, I believe you can use money to buy, and you can also do the addition of money. See you next time.